Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be reviewing the Columbia PFG Terminal Tackle Pants. The pants are the perfect choice for any outdoor enthusiast. Whether you're fishing, hiking, or camping, these pants will provide superior performance and comfort in any environment. Constructed from advanced Omni-Shield fabric technology with a water and stain-resistant finish, they offer unbeatable protection against the elements while maintaining breathability throughout your adventures. Additionally, their UPF 50 sun protection rating ensures that you stay safe while enjoying time outdoors even on sunny days. The pants also feature an adjustable waistband to ensure a comfortable fit all day long, as well as several pockets to store items such as keys or wallets safely and securely without worrying about them falling out during activities like fishing where hands may be occupied frequently. The zippered leg openings make it easy to put on over boots or shoes when heading into wet conditions, so there is no need for extra layers of clothing which can cause discomfort when engaging in strenuous activities like hiking up hillsides or paddling down rivers. Overall, Columbia PFG Terminal Tackle Pants provide excellent coverage from the elements along with maximum comfort, making them ideal for anyone looking for reliable gear that stands up against nature's toughest challenges. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product reviews.